Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are playing Animal Jam like usual, and let's get to this. So I want to thank two people for helping me make these videos. I want to thank Weir99, WEER99, and Rachel Jock, JOCK12, for helping me make this video. So go subscribe to their channel, and if you have Animal Jam, please buddy them, because they've helped me do everything. So if you're watching now, go subscribe, then buddy them and subscribe to their channel, because they're the mainly ones that helped me start my YouTube career. So I want to show you my house personally. My den, actually. You probably think my den is like so junky and crappy, but my opinion, it's pretty dope. I think that's really awesome. So this is my den. Yep. And I'm going to change the music because I have a special type of music for this video right now. I have the Jamaat theme, Temple Beat, Pegasus Ballad, and Fantasy Fuge. I am playing Pegasus Ballad right now. This is my favorite song all time. And yeah, like mainly the favorite. So I am going to zoom around in my Phantom costume and show you what my den looks like. I got my pink baby right there. Oh, my favorite car. And then my evil throne and my portal. Trophies, UFO that this dude crashed. Yeah, it was hard. Fed him over time, he got fat. So, can I tell you guys something? My Animal Jam mother, over in history, my Animal Jam mother was in Clan Evil. Or, I think it's Clan Evil. Yeah, Clan Evil. My wolf, it's heard that my wolf is 50% evil and 50% good. Because my Animal Jam father is good, my Animal Jam mother is evil. But I have bad news. My Animal Jam mother is underneath my wolf right now. That's where I buried her. I need to get a headstone. Yeah, I need to get that placed right there for her. And yeah, like, that's pretty messed up. But if I look on my buddy account, yes, my stepmother into 71171 is on. I am going to go to her. I am trying to finish the diamond enchanted armor, so I won't have to be almost boneless when I go into war. It's going to be Clan Evil against Clan whatever. I forgot the name. But yeah. Where's my mom? No, Animal Jam mom. Okay. Yep, that's... So yeah, oh my god, he has the back plate of it. Hind straight up need. Aw, he doesn't have it on his trade list. Fuzzy, corn, whatever his name is. Thank you. So yeah, I'm just zooming around. I hope they don't lock me out. Please don't lock me out. But yeah, first ever video and first ever time videotaping and playing Animal Jam at the same time. I love this part of the house. And sorry if I'm blocking the mic. I'm not really used to making a video. Yes. So pretty much I am going to, if you don't want me playing Animal Jam, leave a comment down below and saying go to a different game, because I can download multiple games. I'm just doing this so me and you can us can have fun. And if your friends don't know who I am, please tell them to subscribe to my channel and become a 15. I'm gonna have to make up a name for y'all. And yeah, become a jammer 15, and tell the good news about YouTubing, because it can help you and other people's days. So yeah, I am going to leave it here, and thank you.